What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep, it's Mahlon, Tane, and today we at it again, y'all. Yep, y'all see it. The stop and go tire plugger, tubeless tire repair kit. Yeah, okay. So we used this on one of the tires that we had on our vehicle already. I'll put down the link on the description below for that video. And today we're gonna be using this on this 11/24/5 tire. In case y'all don't know what size that is or what kind of tire that is, that's a tractor tire. That's big truck tires, know what I mean? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and draw the problem out, which is the nail. Go ahead and get a flathead and pick that nail out. And this thing is already low in air, so might not hear any air leak out of it. That's fine. Can't get no grip on it. That bad boy is superb. Super long. Alright. Just so y'all get an idea how long that is, look at it from the side. I'm gonna prepare my tire tool. Get a plug right quick. Boy. Alright, so you press this button to release the pressure, like so. And you install this like so. You use this tool to push it on in. Well, I don't know if y'all can see it in there, but it's off in there. Know what I mean? Get that back off in there. Alright, we ready. Let's get back on this tire and pull this out. Just get a good grip on it and draw it straight out. You hear the air leaking. And there it is. So now we'll just work it with this jig. I like to screw it in to get it off in there. It's a lot of radial steel off in there, so you can't just jug it all the time. There we go. Now, we stick our little spike tool in there. You want to put that in there deep as you can. Like so. Once you have that in there, you just unscrew it. Stick your gun off in there. And screw your gun in. You'll hear it stop leaking. Now all you have to do is squeeze the trigger. Notice the air stop leaking. You pull it out slowly. And while you pulling it out, that piece of rubber, you want to try to tug on it a little bit to make sure it's on there good. And go in your kit. Your kit comes with a razor blade. Just get that razor blade and you just cut off the leftovers basically. And that's pretty much it, y'all. And you're done. So now we're gonna air up this tire to 120 psi. The truck will be running, so you will hear the truck running. So just so you know, give me a second. Okay, we got the truck and the air pressure going. We'll go ahead and see how much air we have in there. Probably like 16, 17 pounds, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. But let's go ahead and air it up to about 120. That's how much I like running on my tires. Yes, sir. All right, let's check it out. See how much air pressure we got. Man, I need a new. There it is, y'all. Got about 125. That'll work. And just so y'all know, that's that 1124.5, and there is the plug right there. There is the plug. And another thing, the Stop and Go tire plugger is not sponsoring this video. Hey, we're making this video because this is what we're using, y'all. So remember, you can fix it too. And on that note, till next time.